All good?
Yep.
All right. Hey, so I'm here in Harrisburg on Dairy Street. There's a school here where they've got one, two, three, four, five, six, probably like 10 different roofs at different levels on different buildings and so forth. I was out here a couple months ago inspecting some of these roofs for them.
So this is a fairly saturated system. What's happening is water is penetrating this top system, going through the insulation, ruining the insulation, and then going down to the asphalt. The asphalt obviously isn't really absorbent, so it runs off the asphalt and tries to find the nearest way into the building.
And they kind of wanted me to grade.
Get it? Grade. Because it's a school. Low.
They wanted me to grade all of the roof systems and tell them which ones need to be done first, which ones can last a while yet. And so I did that for them, gave them an overview of kind of each roof system and which ones are the most desperately in need of replacement, being this one and the one behind me, and then another small one over on another building. And these were leaking. This one was leaking, and they needed to have it replaced pretty quickly. So we turned it around. For this job here, they had like 3 inches of insulation. They had a tar substrate. This is a classroom. There's classrooms underneath here. They wanted to increase the insulation on whatever roofs we were going to replace. So I included that in the quote, putting R30 insulation in here to give them better insulating value inside and reduce their energy costs. So that came as a part of the roof package. And we tore the old roofing off, all the old saturated insulation board and stuff that was on here, and then put on the new R30 insulation and the new white TPO system, which you can see here. And we're wrapping things up today, putting the drip edge, the edge metal on, making sure all of the seams are tight, just kind of the last minute details to take a job from 80% to 100% and make sure that they're squared away for the long term, as in 20, 25, possibly even 30 years. It's a little chilly out here, but we're here doing our inspection and things look great.